Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. And if you guys have like worn out shoes, like just like the top layer where like for example like my Converse shoes, like they're black but it's showing like brown marks because of the sun, because where I live in Southern California and the sun is always out. So this shoe is coming like it's looking gross, see, like, and don't worry about the black smudge, we're gonna get that in a bit. But yeah, these shoes are not looking black anymore. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to renew these shoes to back to its color. So all that you're going to need is a black marker. It could be a Sharpie or any kind of marker. You could also get a spray paint, but I recommend this marker, and it needs a tip like that, just like that, and you need to shake it. It shakes like a spray can, if you know what I'm talking about. So we're just gonna get started right here. So we're just gonna like fill up the parts that have like brown spots, just like that. And you want to take it easy because you don't want to go like fast, because you don't want to ruin your shoes and get black marks on your laces or on the sole part. So yeah, so we're just gonna go like this, just easy, nice and touches, just keep stroking it. And now I'm gonna do it all over the shoes so it won't notice, so it can't, so the people can't tell that it's done by marker. So yeah, so I'm gonna do it like double coats like this. And I highly recommend you guys use tape, just to cover the parts that you don't want your marker to be filled. But for me, I have done this a couple times, so I'm already used to it, so I have really steady hands. And I also recommend taking the shoelace, because if you see those white marks right there, like on top of the shoe, I am also going to fill that part. So yeah, because I want it to look, like kind of new. But yeah, and this is a great way to save up money. And if you're gonna do like the marking where it says Converse, I recommend tape. But if you have steady hands like me, then you don't need tape. So yeah, here is the progress I'm going. I'm taking it very slow, guys, so just take your time on this, guys, okay? Just literally So here is the final result. I've done everything. I've done a double coat on this, and I put the laces back. So here it is. You might want to be careful with the edges, because I got a little bit of marker on the white parts of the sole, but it doesn't matter because I have steady hands. And I'm gonna do a comparison right here, the before and after. You could really see the difference of it. So yeah, I recommend this if you guys just like want to renew your shoes, and I thought this was a good idea because sometimes I do it. And yeah, and you guys also could buy like new white laces. So here it is with my shoe on. It fits, fits regular. Yeah, so yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe to my channel and share this video. So yeah, and if you guys haven't seen my last video and if you want to know my Instagram, those will all be in the link in the description below. So yeah, happy holiday guys, and yeah, peace out guys.